fuck, everything about me popping. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, bitch.
Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. By the title, y'all already know what it is. Y'all know what it ain't. Today we are doing half up, baby, half down with the Crimpses. So right now y'all see me detangling my nappy ass hair. This is freshly washed, I think. Yeah, I'm just detangling my hair, and after I detangle my hair, oh yeah, that's the picture that I'm going for, you know, Miss Jada looking fine and sexy. All right, anyway, I'm basically sectioning off my ponytail and blase. Y'all know this video is really self-explanatory. I don't want to be talking y'all heads off, but you know, if that's what y'all want, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sectioning off my hair, and then after I section off my hair, I'm just simply going to be braiding down the back of my hair. Don't talk about my braids because they're gonna be raggedy. It's gonna be a quick weave, so it don't matter what's underneath it. So yeah, so this is what the braid pattern looks like. Very raggedy, blah blah blah. I left out some hair, like my little edges, and I'm gonna just be using one cap because that two cap thing is so irritating to me. It's hard to get to that itch, and y'all know that glue is no joke. But I'm using 2 bundles from my local beauty supply store. I will have the name listed below because I forgot it, but yeah. And I'm just going to be gluing the tracks up until I get to the top of the ponytail, and then when I get to the ponytail, I'll come back. So yeah, y'all. Now that I've glued all the tracks, I'm gonna be cutting the rest of the cap off. And when y'all do this, make sure y'all don't cut off y'all hair because it is possible. So yeah. After cutting the cap, the hair that y'all see me leaving out, that's gonna cover the tracks. I'm gonna spray that with my oil mist. This is the best oil mist ever. It's so lightweight, y'all, I promise. And I'm just gonna be chasing that with my rat tail comb to get my hair as straight as possible. And yeah, my hair is natural, so it's gonna take a couple of days for me to, get it as straight as I can. If that makes sense. Right now it's not as flat as I want it to be, but after I done had the hairstyle for a long time, then my hair was like, okay, obviously the bitch wants us to be straight, so we're gonna be straight. So ooh, bless me, thank me. Okay, anyway, yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm just flat ironing my leave out so I can cover the tracks, and I'll be back to show y'all when I get to the ponytail because that's the most important part. For the ponytail, I'm simply just going to be seeing what fits me the best. I mixed the Eco Styling Gel and the clear Got To Be Glue Gel to get a better hold. And after that, I'm just going to be putting it in a ponytail, braiding my real hair into 3 plait. And then after I put it in a plait, I'm going to be adding a rubber band to the end. And then I'll be back when I get into the important part. This is something that you guys want to pay very close attention to. Basically, what I'm doing is sewing the weft to my plait, and you just want to thread your needle, put it out at the end, take the needle through the weft, and take it through the plait, and then after that tie it into a knot so that it is secure. And then you just want to wrap it around the best way you can. This is going to give you that sleek pony. You don't want to just wrap it around, you know how you normally just will wrap it around your ponytail holder. You don't want that because it's going to be very bulky and it's not going to lay like a natural pony. So this is going to give you a more sleek look. And then after I wrap that weft all the way up to the ponytail holder, I'm going to be taking a piece of hair, spraying it with the Got To Be glue, and wrapping it around. I wasn't going for a genie ponytail in this video. Mind you, I did redo the ponytail because it does look better with the genie ponytail, but this is cute as well if you're just going for a more simpler look. So that's what y'all see me doing here. I'm just wrapping that piece of hair around the ponytail so that it gives a more sleeker look. And yeah. Now I'm just going to be laying my baby hairs with that same mixture of the Got to Be glue and the Eco Styling Gel, just to fit my face and the hairstyle better. I like to play around with it a little bit to see what looks better with the style. Once I'm done, I only crimped my hair once for you guys, because like I said in one of my previous videos when I crimp my hair, this takes a long time, y'all. And for those of you who asked where I got the crimps from, I got this from a local beauty supply store as well. I will have the name and everything listed below, because I'm pretty sure they have these online somewhere. This shit is heavy. I would prefer a smaller crimper, but this works too. I hope you guys understand that this video was already about 2 hours long, so that's why I only crimped one. This literally takes an hour itself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.